Welcome back to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can manage your Midjourney subscription. And it's pretty simple, but for those people who do not know what Midjourney is an AI which is available for Discord, which you guys can use to convert your text into image. So let's say I write Messi holding an apple, then Midjourney will create an image out of it, which means it's going to create Messi holding apple. So if you know what I'm trying to say, then you will understand what so I hope you understand what I said. Now, before moving on with this video, hit that subscribe button to our channel. Let's move on. First step, you want to open your browser and you want to go to midjourney.com. Make sure it's midjourney.com like this. Once you're in its official website, what you want to do is log in into its account. Like, it's going to open up like this, and you want to click on sign in, so it's going to log you into your account. Once you're in your account, you can see your username at the bottom left. Click on the three dot on the username, click on manage sub. It's going to take you to the subscription page. Over here, you can scroll a bit down and your current subscription is going to be shown. You can click on cancel plan to cancel your subscription, and if you want to change your subscription, you can scroll a bit down and upgrade your plan or degrade your plan depending on the type of plan you have. Alright, so yeah, that's it for today's video on how we guys can manage your Midjourney subscription. So if you guys have any question relating this video, you can ask me in the comment. I will reply and help you fix a problem. If you guys found this video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel TechTube for future tech related videos just like this. More Midjourney video will come up in the future in this channel, so make sure to stay tuned and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.